Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. I know I don't look like Ukachi, but my name is Ukachi. If you are new to my channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button that is below. Ensure, please. And if you're not new, welcome back home. I know everyone's like, who is this down there in my seat? Run on me. This is not down there I'm used to seeing. But I have makeup on today because why not? Today's video, from the title, you already know it's a challenge of me trying to lay my 4C edges. Let me just give you guys a backstory. I don't lay my edges. This is my inspiration for this video. So I'm going to be attempting to lay my edges. And for those one who was underneath this scarf, nothing really is underneath this scarf. I have my hair in chunky twists and cornrows in the front. I'm going to try to lay my edges like this. It's already laid though because my scarf did the job. But I'm going to try to lay my edges with my Moko de Gorilla hair snot gel and a toothbrush. That's all. I have never done a laying my edges video in my life before. But if I get it today, maybe I will actually try to film one. Even though I don't lay my edges in real life, I legit do lay my edges in real life. I never even like, it's too stressful. I can't for 5 minutes. So without further ado, you know what we do, boo? Let's lay our edges. Now I will do normally is put my edges with water. I can also lay them because gel is drying. But what it says here is apply a portion of Gorilla Snot gel on your fingers and start styling. On your fingers. Let's do on our finger. Obeying the instructions last order. On our fingers, this thing doesn't like, it's so jelly. And start styling. I'm going to use a mirror in this video because I don't want to be hearing stories that touch. These edges must be laid, whether I like it or not. So I'm going to be using my box of crayons mirror. This toothbrush I'm using. Am I the only one that I can use my actual toothbrush to lay my edges and I'll go and get a new one? I don't even know where to start from. So I think this is the center of my head. I'm going to do this side and then this side. So let me start from here. Are you guys ready for it? Hey, good. God have mercy. The edges are quite stubborn though. Okay, who is seeing what I'm seeing? Okay. Hey, mama. Are these edges that you're laying like this or sledges? Clearly. This one get a CB. This one get a CB. I need to concentrate on these edges in this video. Hey, I'm laying my edges. I'm so proud of myself. Because laying of edges, to me personally, it is an art. Those that lay their edges, congratulations, you are a talented artist. I really can't deal. Like I lay my edges like, let's say, once a year and once and a half in a leap year. Once a year then I lay my edges, to be honest. I never even remember soon. So if you do, I think I should take this one up like this, then I'll take another one. Okay, let's leave it like this. We've done one side. It's the best I can do. So let me just tie my scarf down and know what I'm doing here. I'm going to tie my scarf down and leave it on for like 10 or 15 minutes. Let everything shall dry well, so that I will know that, okay, I can put in the effort for these edges. And if it comes out looking nice, bam! I'm going to be shook, to be honest. I'm liking it, but I don't think it's nice. So let's just tie our edges down. Try not to get anything on my makeup. Tying it down real tight, like real tight. You can see my head looking all cute. So I'm going to show you guys what's popping. I saw a video actually of, I can't remember who, I'll try to find the video on YouTube a while back, and the thing was like, not everybody has baby hair, so stop saying Hashtag baby hairs. Not everyone has baby hairs. I don't think I have baby hairs, to be honest. I just feel like I have adult hairs. I don't like laying my edges because it causes build up. Like imagining your edges on the first day after wash day. I like laying my edges on, like if I'm laying my edges probably the day before wash day, because I know that once because I don't like gel in my hair syndrome. Once gel is in my hair for too long, I really can't, and I would wash it off. After like a day I would wash it off. So let's wait and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back after like 22 or 23 minutes. Let me see the magic that I've created. Let me take this off. Okay. We have something here. We have achieved something here. I can manage this. It doesn't look like this, but it looks like something I can carry out of my house. Let me just finish up the look and I'll be right back. And I'm back, guys, and I can say that this is a look. This is a look. I'm so surprised. Like, I actually look like a rage. But really, I look quite good though. The makeup, the hair, the scarf, the edges, the sledges. Like, oh my lord. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can just say the eco style. I said eco style. Like, Gorilla Snot is not a scam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you ever lay your edges, or if you lay your edges on instead, please tell me in the comment section. Don't be like me, lay your edges. There are two kinds of girls in this world. The ones that lay their edges and... But today, there's only one kind. The ones that lay their edges. So please give this video a thumbs up. Follow my Instagram at Natural Ukachi, my Facebook at Natural Ukachi, my Twitter at Natural Ukachi, my Pinterest at Natural Ukachi, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Natural Ukachi. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.